This year has been full of new challenges, and working together, the real estate community has supported each other to make homeownership possible.
Thank you for your continued membership.
Your ongoing support and involvement means so much to us.
Your membership plays a critical role in helping us continue to set the industry standard in leadership, innovation, professionalism, and service for the real estate community.
Thank you for your membership.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.